Hello everyone, welcome to Sadeva classes. Today we are going to solve practice set 2.2 of quadratic equation chapter Maths part 1 standard 10. This will be the second part. First part we have already seen. Now this is your practice set 2.2 snapshot of practice set 2.2, just only to familiarize you with the practice set. Okay, now, question number 1, solve the following quadratic equation by factorization. We have to use the method factorization. In first part, we have already seen what is factorization and how it is done. Now, we are going to solve this practice set by this method. First question is x square minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0. In this question, a is 1 and c is 54. So, 1 into 54, 54. That is positive 54. Now, we have to find out two numbers whose product is 54 plus 54 and its addition or subtraction is minus 15. So numbers are 6 9, minus 6 minus 9, 6 9s are 54 and minus 6 minus 9 minus 15. So instead of minus 15x we have taken minus 9x minus 6x. So x square minus 9x, common is x minus 9 remains in a bracket. Then here common is 6 minus 6, x minus 9 remains in another bracket. So x minus 9 in one bracket, x minus 6 in another bracket. So x minus 9 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 9 or x is equal to x is equal to 6. This negative becomes positive and this negative also becomes positive. Therefore 9 and 6 are the roots of given quadratic equation. So 9 and 6 are the roots of this given quadratic equation. X square minus 15x plus 15 is equal to 0. Question number 2, x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Here a is 1, c is minus 20. So product is minus 20 and addition or subtraction is plus 1. So the numbers are 5 and minus 4. 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20 and 5 minus 4 is 1. So here x square plus 5x minus 4 is equal to 4x minus 20 is equal to 0. Instead of x we have taken plus 5x and minus 4x. So here common is x, in bracket remains x plus 5. Here common is minus 4, so in a bracket remains x plus 5. So x plus 5 in one bracket, in another bracket x minus 5 is equal to 0. X plus 5 is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 5 or x is equal to 4. Therefore minus 5 and 4 are the roots of this given the roots of the given quadratic equation. Question number 3, 2y square plus 27y plus 13 is equal to 0. Here a is 2 and c is 13. So 13 to the 26 and the addition will be 27. Therefore the numbers or the factors are 26 and 1. So 2y square plus 26y plus y plus 13 is equal to 0. Here common is 2y, so y plus 13 in remains in one bracket. Here common is 1, y plus 13 in another bracket. So y plus 13, 2y plus 1, y plus 13 is equal to 0 and 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore y is equal to minus 13 or 2y is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So we get two roots, minus 13 and minus 1 upon 2. Then question number 4, 5m square is equal to 22m plus 15. So 5m square minus 22m minus 15 is equal to 0. We have taken the 22m plus 15 to left hand side of the equal side. Then 5 and 15, a is 5, c is minus 15. So 15 5s are 75 and product is minus 75 and addition or subtraction is minus 22. So the factors are minus 22 and 3, minus 22 and 3, minus 22 minus 25 and 3. So instead of minus 22 we have taken minus 25 and plus 3. So 5m square minus 25m plus 3m minus 15 is equal to 0. Here common is 5m, m minus 1 in bracket. Here common is 3 plus 3, m minus 5 in bracket. So m minus 5 in one bracket, 5m plus 3 is equal to 0, 5m plus 3 in another bracket. So m minus 5 is equal to 0, m is equal to 5. 5m plus 3 is equal to 0, 5m is equal to minus 3 and m is equal to minus 3 upon 5. So the roots are 5 and minus 3 upon 5. Question number 5, 2x square minus 2x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. So we have simplified this by multiplying uh, 2 by multiplying this 2x square minus 2x by 2. So we get 4x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now a is 4 and c is 1. A is 4 and c is 1. So 4 ones are 4 and the factors are minus 2 because here it is minus 4. So minus 2 is equal to minus 4 and product is plus 4. So instead of 4x we have taken minus 2x, 4x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here common is 2x minus 1 in bracket minus 1. Here common is minus 1. So 2x minus 1 in other bracket. So 2x minus 1 in one bracket, 2x minus 1 in another bracket. So 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 upon 2. Similarly here same thing. So therefore it should be like this. By mistake it has come in Marathi. So here the roots are 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. Question number 6, 6x minus 2 upon x is equal to 1. Here also we have simplified this by multiplying x to 6x and 1. So 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here factors are minus 4 and 3. So we get 6x square minus 4x plus 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. 2x in a bracket, 3x minus 2. Here common is 2x. Here common is 1. 3x minus 2 in bracket. Then 3x minus 2 and 2x plus 1. 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 upon 3. Here 2x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Then question number 7, an activity is given to you. So what is the activity? See, root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. To solve the quadratic equation by factorization, we have to complete the following activity. Now root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Here root 2 is a and c is 5 root 2. So 5 2s are 10. So product is 10 and addition is 7. The factors are 5x and 2x. Factors are 5x and 2x. Root 2 x square plus 5x plus root 2 plus 2x plus 5 root 2. Here common is x. Therefore in bracket remains root 2x plus 5. Here common is root 2 because this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So root 2 is common. Here root 2 x plus 5. Root 2 x plus 5 in one bracket, x plus 5 in another bracket. Therefore root 2 x plus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus root 2 or x is equal to minus 5 upon root 2. So these are the roots of this equation. Then here question number 9, 2m bracket m minus 24 is equal to 50. Here we have to solve this. 2m m minus 24 is equal to 50. Therefore 2 goes to that side of the right hand side of the equal sign. Then we get m bracket m minus 24 is equal to 50 upon 2, that is 25. Solve this. M into m square, m into 24 minus 24m minus 25 is equal to 0. Products are minus 25 plus 1. We get m square minus 25 m plus 1 m minus 25 is equal to 0. So m is common, m minus 25 plus 1 m minus 25. So m minus 25 in one bracket, m plus 1 another bracket. M minus 25 is equal to 0 or m plus 1 is equal to 0. So we get m as 25 or m as minus 1 or m as minus 1. So these are the roots 25 and minus 1. Oh, wait, I'm correcting something. Okay, we have corrected this question number 5. Okay, we have corrected question number 5, so you'll get this correction. Sorry for inconvenience. Next, question number 9 we have seen. Question number okay, 9 we have seen. Question number 10. In question number 10, 25 m square is equal to 9. Therefore, 25 m square is equal to minus 9 is 25 m square minus 9 is equal to 0. We have taken this 9 to left hand side. Now, 25 is the square of 5 and m square is the square of m. So, 5m the whole 5m the whole square of 5m. 25m square can be written as 5m square. Then 9 can be written as square of 3. Therefore, a square minus b square, we have to use formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b in one bracket, a minus b in another bracket. So, a plus b, a minus b, a plus b in one bracket, a minus b in another bracket. So, we get 5m plus 3 is equal to 0, 5m is equal to minus 3 and m is equal to minus 3 upon 5. Here we get 5m is equal to 3 and m is equal to 3 upon 5. So, we get minus 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 5 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Question number 11, 7m square is equal to 21m, 7m square is equal to 21m, 7m square is equal to minus 7m square minus 21m is equal to 0. Here 7m is common, so bracket m minus 3 remains. So 7m is equal to 0, so m is equal to 0 upon 7, m is equal to 0, or m minus 3 is equal to 0. We get m is equal to 3. We get m is equal to 3. In question number 12, similar method is used. M square minus 11 is equal to 0. So m square can be written as square of m and 11 can be written as square of root 11. So here same formula we have used, a square minus b square. We get a minus b is equal to 0, a plus is equal to 0. So a that m is equal to minus a is equal to root 11, or that m is equal to root 11 or m is equal to minus root 11. So root 11 and minus root 11 are the roots of this quadratic equation. So thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe, like and share. If you haven't seen or watched our previous videos, link is given in the description, so you can go and watch all the previous videos. Thank you.